So okay, we're gonna finish it up. Can you tell me like how was the first class? What do you think?
It's really good because I never thought that I will complete my one session like this because long time after long time I'm doing the practices. As like I'm in China right now and I have no time to give put on this concentration and there. So first time and after a long time I'm feeling like no I can do it and I can concentrate there if I do like you. And I want to share one thing with you. I'm reading, like I'm starting reading lots of English books as like comics, not comics, it's like a story books in Chinese based, but it's an English convert. But after that, do you have any suggestion for me to read some more where I
I
can
do.
have more resources?
Yeah, I do. Don't read from something that is not related to your IELTS or reading criteria. Right now, you are trying to
Okay.
improve your IELTS reading skills, nothing else. Right now, for this moment, until you get the score, that's your priority, first and foremost.
Yeah.
So, what you need to read is something that is related or the same structures of your exam questions, and that you only get in the Cambridge books. How you can read it? See, from book 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the books we don't practice anymore, right? But if you go back to those books and research what kind of article they are getting, it's exactly nearly the same articles you are getting in the latest books like 17, 18, 19, 20. Right? So, what I'm telling you, instead of reading papers, but other things and other books, those will obviously gonna help you. But the most help you're going to get if you read something or read some articles that is directly correlated with the articles that you will going to get in the time of exam, and that's from Cambridge. So as we don't practice the Cambridge books from 6, 7, 8, 9, these are the books we don't practice. So why don't you just read one article every day from those books? That will going to be helpful.
Sound good. I will water today. I will water after finish the class. I will water in my Pinduoduo.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, for that.